Did you know that after the age of 60, every single step you take puts up to 4 times your body weight and pressure on your knees? If you felt that sudden stiffness in the morning or a sharp ache when taking the stairs, your body is trying to tell you something. But getting older doesn't mean you have to lose your mobility. Today we are diving into 3 simple science-backed habits that can shield your joints, reverse aging knees, and keep you forever agile, with no gym required. Habit number 1 is what orthopedics call joint lubrication. Think of your knee joint like a car engine. When you sleep, the fluid inside your joints, called synovial fluid, becomes stagnant. If you jump out of bed and start walking immediately, it's like running an engine without oil. Before your feet even touch the floor tomorrow morning, lie on your back and slowly do 10 gentle heel slides on each leg. This simple motion pumps that natural lubricant back into your joints, wiping away morning stiffness in under 5 minutes. Habit number 2 sounds unusual, but it's a game changer backed by biomechanics. Backward walking. When you walk forward, your knees take the brunt of the impact. But walking backward forces your hamstrings, glutes, and shin muscles to engage differently, taking the heavy pressure entirely off your kneecaps. Just 5 minutes of slow backward walking in a safe hallway or your backyard daily can rapidly strengthen the stabilizing muscles around your joints. Our third habit isn't about movement. It's about what you put into your body. Your cartilage is made up of nearly 80% water. As we age, our sensation of thirst decreases, leading to chronic mild dehydration. When you don't drink enough water, your body pulls moisture from your joints, making friction worse. Pair your hydration with nutrient-dense vitamin C-rich foods to trigger natural collagen synthesis, keeping that cartilage spongy and shock-absorbent. Protecting your knees isn't about running marathons. It's about these small, deliberate daily actions that respect your biology. Pick just one of these habits to start tomorrow morning, and let me know in the comments below which one you are choosing. If you want more science-backed guides to live a vibrant, pain-free life, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Forever Agile. Stay active, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.